Dear everyone, today we are talking about antigens and immunogens. What are antigens? Antigens are those pathogenic organisms or substances which either elicit immune response or get bounded with antibodies. Once again, what are antigens? Antigens are defined as immune response generating pathogenic microorganisms or other types of organisms or substances. One definition is like this. Other definition is antigen is such a type of pathogenic organism or foreign molecules which has ability to induce immune response or which has ability to bind with a receptor molecule, that is the antibody. So antigens are antibody generating molecules. Antigens are antibody binding molecules. Now, what are immunogens? Immunogens are such pathogenic organisms or substances which have capacity of triggering immune response, meaning thereby immune response generating pathogenic microorganisms or other types of chemical substances are known as immunogens, meaning thereby immunogens are immunogenic agents. Agents in the form of viruses, bacteria, fungus, or any other type of parasites which have capacity of triggering immune response are known as immunogens. Now, what are differences between antigens and immunogens? Differences are like this. All immunogens are antigens, but all antigens are not immunogens. Because for a molecule or pathogen being immunogenic or immunogens, it must fulfill the criteria of eliciting immune response, but some antigens have no capacity of eliciting immune response. However, most of the antigens have capacity of triggering immune response. So, most of the antigens are immunogens. That's why all immunogens are antigens, but all antigens are not immunogens. These are the examples of antigens and immunogens. Bacteria. There are so many types of bacteria. Broadly, you can categorize bacteria in two major categories. One categories may be good bacteria, that are the symbiotic bacteria or probiotic bacteria, and some bacteria are pathogenic bacteria, that are the disease causing bacteria. So disease causing bacteria act as pathogens. In the similar way, fungi may be pathogenic or non-pathogenic. So those type of fungi which are capable of causing disease are known as pathogenic fungi, and all pathogenic fungi are antigens or immunogens. In this way, all disease causing organisms or chemical substances act as antigens or immunogens. Some chemical substances derived from pathogens like LPS, lipopolysaccharide, which are responsible for antigenicity or immunogenicity. LPS are lipopolysaccharides which is present on the surface of bacteria. GP120, glycoprotein 120 is an antigenic protein which is found in HIV/AIDS virus. In the similar way, a spike protein which is responsible for antigenicity, and this spike protein is the part of coronavirus. So these are all about antigens and immunogens. In the next video, we will discuss about immune response, how immune response get induced, and how antibody and effector cells are produced for defense mechanism of our body, resulting in to the elimination of these antigens or immunogens from our body. So thanks for watching this video.